went to Spirit Halloween. They're open. Hooray. So now, nothing you get there is finished. It's all building blocks. While I was there, I got, this is for me, not important. Picked this up. This is they call it a metallic pumpkin mask. It was, let's just say, in the $10 range. It's very simple, and by itself, it's not that great, but it's a building block. You know, this is something that we can turn into. I'm going to turn it into like a woodland scarecrow spirit monster thing. So for me, this is a Transformation Tuesday that you are watching on YouTube Wednesday. Let's make this thing awesome, because right now it's very metallic. Going to be a good bit of voiceover in this, simply because it's the best way to convey this information. And you can see I have EVA foam there, and I've just cut out like a big comb shape of leaves, and then I styled the front of it so that I can glue it on and it blends in better than just a straight line. And now I am beveling all of those edges, and I'm just beveling them with scissors. So it doesn't have to be anything fancy. This is contact cement. You put contact cement on both sides, press it on really good, and there it's attached. This is simple. I'm not using anything that you guys don't have access to. It's a mask from Spirit Halloween. It's contact cement. It's EVA foam. Here I'm just taping off the eyes and the mouth to protect them when I spray paint. What is missing, I had a little blip on the recording. You see that netting that I attached down there? That is contact cemented into the bottom of the mask. And I spray painted the face orange and the leaves yellow, and then I kind of misted them with brown. You didn't miss a lot, but that is what you missed. This is a holly plant that I had laying around. And back there you can see that netting that I used and cut a piece off of. That could be burlap or anything. And now I have that holly plant, and I wanted fall leaves. So I spray painted the holly leaves, and they're going to look enough like fall leaves that no one will notice. I spray painted one of them brown and some of them yellow and orange, and then of course I glued on only the brown side showing because I'm smart. So, and this is just hot glue, and I hot glue those little leaf clusters right into the net and onto the EVA foam. Now I am using hot glue that works well on EVA foam, so you might want to put a little zip tie or something there. I've moved it over to the airbrush, and this is the not a great angle, but you can see I'm just using the airbrush, and I'm putting the leaf vein down the center and the stripes for the leaves. Honestly, you could do that with a paint marker. You could do it with a paintbrush. You don't have to have an airbrush. Now I'm going in with this dark brown color, and I'm kind of highlighting the difference between the pumpkin and the leaves that go to the back of the head, just to really make this, make those two pieces kind of stand out and be different. And you can see those leaves kind of taking shape there. And now I've laid it down to get the stuff on top, and you can see easily that I can do that brown stripe down the middle, and then those leaf veins. Now I take the tape off of the eyes and mouth because I want to re-black those. Contrast is king. So now I have black in my airbrush, and I'm going to black the eyes, the mouth, and the nose. It's amazing how much better just that, adding contrast, makes this look. Let's let that dry. All right, so this is the final look. You can see how the mask came together. Remember what it was, that metallic piece. What I like about this is that immediately I want to make a whole costume. This is one piece that I bought, and we fixed it up, and now I want to make this Scarecrow. good secondary movement with the EVA foam. It changes the human form a little bit as you move. You've got blending options with the net and the leaves. So I call this a win. Go make stuff!